Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Blanc Spa Resort Cancun, one of our all-time favorites, and I'm in one of my all-time favorite rooms, a junior suite. It's set right on the corner with incredible views in every direction, even from the bathroom. But let me show you what this room is all about. As soon as you walk in the door, you've got your do not disturb and light controls right here, so you can let the maid know either you want service or not right there. You've got a little bit of storage over here to the right. You've got your safe, and then opening this up, you've got a ton of hanging storage here, your ironing board, steamer, and they also have your spa robes and slippers. I highly recommend that you wear those robes on down to the spa. The spa here is amazing, and if you want to see that and every other spot on the resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour. Continuing in, as soon as you get into the bedroom, the views are amazing. Just wanted to point out your mini bar setup right here. You've got a few snacks up there. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker. If you pull this drawer on out, you're gonna have all of your pods underneath here. You've got some more snacks, glassware, and bottle opener. And then one unique feature about this room, you open this up, you've got your premium alcohol dispenser right here, and then you've got your full mini bar. It's stocked as when you arrive, and then you can have it replenished every day in the exact manner you prefer. Continuing on, you have a little bit of storage here. I did want to point out that you will have a butler. They're going to handle all of your needs here, whether it's dining reservations, reservations off-site, or even in the room if you want them to pack or unpack for you. And I'll talk a little bit more about the pillow and comfort menu that they can take care of as well. Now, continuing in, you see this large king-size bed. This is what the room is all about. This bed is directly facing the Caribbean Sea. You have the beautiful colors in every single direction, all the different blues and teals. You can open those windows on up and really take advantage of an amazing view. But let me talk about the bedroom itself. You've got all of your light controls on the side of the bed. You've got a US plug, 2 USB plugs, and they even have an HDMI plug right there where you can plug right in and you can mirror your smart TV. You've got a large flat panel smart TV. It also has menus and things like that as well, but there's several different ways that you can mirror from your devices. Now on the side of the bed, they have a memory foam mat. I think it's a great little touch. And this property just went through a $30+ million renovation, and they touched every single space in the resort. One of the things that they did is they replaced all of the mattresses, the pillows, the linens. They're really high end, and in fact, it was one of the best night's sleep I've ever had in my entire life. Continuing on to the other side, you see they've got the beach bag there. Nice little touch. You can take it out to the beach and of course take it home with you after you're done here. You've got redundant light controls over on this side. You've got a US plug, 2 USBs. You also have your remote and phone, and a nice little touch here. You scan the QR code when you come in the room, and then you can use it to communicate using WhatsApp with your e-concierge throughout your stay. As I head into the bathroom, once again, absolutely blown away by these amazing views. Over here, you've got a large marble vanity. You've got storage underneath. You've got your scale, backlit magnifying mirror, and your Bulgari bath amenities. They're really high quality. I really appreciated using them while I was staying here. Continuing on through, you have your extra large shower. You got a rainforest shower head up above. You also have the extra jets for the Swiss shower and a shower wand. In addition, more of those Bulgari bath amenities, and also you have your own bath sponge, a nice little touch as well. But what this space is really about is this amazing jacuzzi tub looking out at the ocean. You have your butler. Once again, they're happy to draw a bath for you. They also can provide a menu of bath salts, bath aromatherapy, and they even have their own artisanal bath soaps that they'll come in and carve for you. Now this resort is all about a romantic, relaxing getaway, and this is one of those spots where you can really take advantage of it. So now let's step down into the living room area. On my left, you've got a nice bottle of wine. This is a welcome gift. You can take it with you, or of course you can consume it on site. You've got a nice couch right here and a couple art pieces, a coffee table, perfect place to have a cup of coffee. And once again, look out at the views. I don't know if I've mentioned the views yet. Right here, you've got a small writing desk, chair, and when they did the renovation, they added a ton of plugs all throughout. So you've got 4 USB chargers, 2 US plugs there. And then once again, you have another amenity that the butler can assist you with. You have your aromatherapy right here, and they can also deliver one of the pillows from the pillow menu. Now this is the view directly across from the king-size bed. Looking out at the beautiful ocean, you've got the classic LeBlanc sign down below, and you also have this really cool turtle sanctuary. All the hotels here in the Cancun hotel zone are actually nesting areas for sea turtles. And so anytime a guest or an employee sees a sea turtle come up, they're going to protect it from the wildlife, bring it, and then the biologists actually put it down below where it's protected. As soon as they hatch, they take them inside and then they release them in the middle of the night so that they can have their best chance for survival. One of the features of this hotel is that oftentimes guests get to participate in that, which is just such a cool way to add on to your vacation experience. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at LeBlanc Los Cabos or Cancun, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your LeBlanc specialists. We know the spaces inside and out. We absolutely love them ourselves, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.